Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate on a coffee machine, easy method. Start by cleaning the carafe and warming the machine with a blank brew cycle. Measure 2 cups of milk and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa per cup. Add sugar to taste and whisk into a smooth mix. Pour into the warmed carafe and run a short brew to gently heat and combine the ingredients. Serve immediately and enjoy. Start by running hot water through the machine into the carafe to preheat it. In a separate cup, combine cocoa, sugar, and a little milk until you get a smooth paste with no lumps. Pour the remaining milk into the carafe, add the paste, and run a short brew cycle to gently heat and blend everything. Stir once more and pour into mugs for a velvety finish and consistent flavor. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen hacks. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is perfect for cleaning crumbs and spilled cocoa on floors and rugs, and it even handles coffee grounds with no fuss. It saves time so you can focus on cozy drinks instead of chores. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For creamier hot chocolate, use whole milk or add a splash of cream for richness. If you prefer a lighter drink, choose almond or oat milk, and remember a small pinch of salt or dash of vanilla brightens the flavors. For a mocha twist, add a shot of espresso after brewing. Finish with frothed milk or a dusting of cocoa powder for an attractive and delicious cup served warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.